What's up guys, it's Chad Carrodus with Ansley Real Estate. Right behind me is the LaRusso Mansion from Cobra Kai, better known as Villa Flora. I currently have it listed for $2.65 million. Let's go check it out. So the second you walk into this house, you are amazed. You have an awesome tall ceiling here in the foyer, but really where your eye goes to is this awesome indoor under air atrium. So in this atrium, we have 22-foot ceilings and a custom irrigation system in these copper gutters. Being in this atrium, you really feel like you're outside, which is crazy. We have a waterfall and a pond. You can drop some koi fish in there. And then you have these water basins. So what this is part of that irrigation system that I mentioned. So the rainwater will come down and go right behind me into these two basins. So you could use it for gardening, rainwater, anything. Pretty cool. So here we have a chef's kitchen. Now this kitchen was inspired by the owner's time on the Amalfi Coast when she was doing her chef externship. So everything is top of the line. Top line appliances, sub-zero refrigerators, and the best part about this is the indoor-outdoor living. So another thing that is so cool about this kitchen is this authentic pizza oven that was imported from Italy. So this will get close to 1,000 degrees. So you throw a pizza in and it'll come right out, just like you're in Italy. So with this house being so unique, it was actually built around this atrium. So here we are upstairs, and let me tell you, it is flooded with natural light. And right above me, actually, we have a tower, which is just one of those cool, unique features about the house. But very open spaces up here, all kind of centered around this awesome atrium. So this house has hosted some pretty killer parties. In fact, it's actually been used to entertain 2 US sitting presidents, as well as the legendary golfer, Arnold Palmer. So after you throw a rager of the century, your guests have got to sleep somewhere. The great thing about Villa Flora is look at all these bedrooms up here. We have 6 bedrooms in the house and just big, awesome, great spaces, just like this one that I'm standing in right now. All of the 6 bedrooms in this house are extremely large, and they give you ample opportunities to do whatever you want with the space. So if you have a quarantine 15 that you want to burn off, you got a gym. And let me show you something else that is so unique. All of the showers in this house are awesome. And this is a huge shower covered in travertine in one of your upstairs guest bedrooms. And of course, a double sink to wash off. All right, let's go check out some more things downstairs. So throughout the whole house, there's so many worldly European influences. For example, this tile on the stairs was inspired by one of the owner's trips to Seville, Spain. So if you're like me and you're not a karate master for a living, we gotta work sometimes. And this is the place to do it. We have an awesome office with a drafting table right here on the first level. And after hours of hard work and you just wanna go outside, we have a door right here that'll lead you right outside. So this is one of the 4 bedrooms on the main living area. Good sized room, you can access the back, and of course, ensuite bath. Right off the kitchen, you have easy access to this killer master bedroom. And so many things about this master are special, starting with this limestone fireplace mantle. And of course, you have a great little sitting area right by the bed, and then access to the back porch. And then let's keep walking so we can check out the closet. So this is a true designer closet. We have alpha shelving in here, so you can totally rearrange everything and fit a ton in here. So this has to be one of the most unique bathrooms I have ever been in. Of course, we have a copper bathtub, easy access to the pool, but let me show you this. This shower was actually an outdoor garden, and it was built to recreate the feeling of showering outside. And rumor has it that Jimmy Carter actually helped lay these bricks when they were building the garden. Now this is a shower. I feel like I'm outside, and this thing is huge. And notice the floor too, really just to bring in that whole ambiance and the experience of being, indoor, outdoor, in really a natural sense. So walking right through the master bath, you get to see this awesome resort style pool right here in your backyard. So when you're ready to bring the party outside, you have the perfect setup. A little fire table right next to the pool. And these up here are awesome because in the summer they provide great shade, and then in the spring they bloom and it is just full of pink roses, which is spectacular. And of course, the best place to take a nap, I think, would be right here. In a really, really fantastic backyard. So you get the best of both worlds because you can have grass and water all kind of brought together to make this really fantastic environment. So out here we have this awesome outdoor kitchen, which is great because when this is your backyard, you'll almost always want to eat outside. And of course, lots of indoor, outdoor living all throughout this fantastic backyard. So right behind the pool, you have these fantastic lush gardens. And one cool thing about it too is there's various fruit trees throughout the whole property. We have apple trees, fig trees, pear trees, anything that you could ask for right in your backyard. Another cool part about the backyard is this awesome dog run. Winnie, come here. Well, it's definitely hard to choose a favorite area. I think this might be one of my favorite parts of the house. It's a little greenhouse, but it is awesome because there's so much light that comes in. You can see the pool, and they even have a little desk set up for painting. So it's very peaceful and just real serene in here. So back here we have the gated motor court. You can keep your car collection, and also we even have ping pong. Boy, do I love me some ping pong.
No, he's f***ing good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
So that's it, your exclusive tour behind the scenes at 130 Woodlawn. Now it's time for y'all to get out of here.